So what's better than Sunday dinner? Taco Tuesday. So what we did for Sunday dinner, we had a lovely pot roast. Served it with mashed potatoes, delicious. But what are we gonna do with the extra? Okay, we don't wanna have the same thing all week. So what we're gonna do today is slow cook pot roast quesadillas, all right? We're going to take our tortilla, we're gonna place it on our griddle. And this is going to be a one-stop shop because we don't wanna have a lot of dishes, and for the sake of time, we are just going to keep it super simple. So we are gonna take our shredded cheese and place that on our tortilla, all right? You wanna spread it around, nice even, and put a nice generous amount on there. The more cheddar, the better, okay? While you're doing that, you wanna take your beef, okay? And you're gonna put that on the griddle as well, so that you're able to, again, one-stop shop, melt the cheese, heat up the beef. We're gonna take a little bit of our taco seasoning essence, hit that there, a little bit of olive oil. And you wanna do this around 350 degrees on your griddle, on your flat top. All right, so once you get the beef heated up, you wanna transfer that over to your tortilla. Help the cheese melt a little bit, and then you're gonna get a nice, even melt right over here. So a couple minutes to heat up your leftover pot roast. Place it right on one side, because what we're gonna do is we are gonna fold that over to make your quesadilla. And you can put any toppings in here that you like. Do salsa, hot sauce, tomatoes. What we have here today is a little bit of cherry tomatoes that we chopped up. Okay, we're gonna put that there. A little fresh cilantro that we're just gonna break up. Make it look real pretty. You're also going to take some avocado, and don't worry, the guac's not extra. And after we let that go for like another minute or two, cheese is perfectly melted. We're gonna hit it off again with a little taco essence. Our tongs, we're gonna fold that over. Oh yeah, it looks great. And you can see right there, everything's coming together. Cheese is melting perfectly. We're gonna give it a little flip. Golden brown on each side. Wait till that cheese is ooey gooey delicious. And the best part about that is that this will serve 2 to 3 people. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut it right in 4s. Perfect. Serve with a little Spanish rice, a little lime, a little lettuce. So Sunday dinner, in about 5 minutes, turned into Taco Tuesday. There you go.